In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code to your invoice in just 5 minutes. QR codes are a fantastic way to streamline payment processes and offer your clients a convenient way to access payment links directly from their smartphones. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by logging into your online payment portal. If you're using a portal like Xero, ensure you have your login details handy and keep them secure. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the section of the portal where you can generate your QR code. This is usually located within your payment settings or the invoicing section, depending on the software you're using. After you've located this area, you should see an option to generate a QR code. The portal might ask for specific information such as the payment amount or recipient details to associate with the QR code. Fill these out accurately as they will ensure the QR code works seamlessly when scanned. Once generated, download your QR code and save it in a location on your device where it's easy to access. Naming your file appropriately can save you a lot of time later on. Now that you have your QR code ready, it's time to create a customized invoice template. Most invoicing software platforms provide the functionality to modify existing templates or create new ones from scratch. Customize your template to reflect your brand, ensuring it includes your company logo, necessary contact information, and all the standard details you would typically include on an invoice. With your template ready, it's time to insert your QR code. Open up the template in your editing software. Many platforms offer a drag and drop feature for images, making it straightforward to add your QR code to the document. Position it somewhere it's easily noticeable but not intrusive, such as near the payment details or in the footer. Generally, the bottom right or left corner of the invoice works well. Once in place, take a moment to review the entire invoice. Ensure everything aligns correctly, including the QR code, and that all details are clear and readable. Consistency in font size and style is important for a professional look. Feel free to move the QR code around if it disrupts the overall layout. The goal is to make the invoice easy to navigate while also highlighting the QR code sufficiently to draw the recipient's attention. Finally, now that your invoice template is finalized with the QR code, upload it to your invoicing software such as Xero. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure it is updated correctly. You might need to save it as a template for future use if the platform allows. Once uploaded, you can now send these invoices to your clients seamlessly, offering them the simplicity of scanning for payments. And that's it! Using a QR code integrated invoice can enhance your payment collection efficiency, providing a modern touch to your billing efforts. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.